ladies in my life, lovely ladies in these lazy days. And though I never took a wife, may I say that I have loved me one or two of the people in my past, fading faces in a waking dream. And though they never seem to last very long, there are faces I remember from the places in my past. I said all the deadhead miles and the insincere smiles. Sometimes I can laugh and cry, and I can't remember why, but I still love those good times gone by. Hold on to them close or let them go. Oh no, I don't know, I just seem to sing these songs and say I'm sorry for the friends I used to know. We are riding on a railroad, singing someone else's song, forever standing by that crossroad. Take your side and step along. We are sailing away on a river to the sea. Maybe you and me can meet again. We are riding on a railroad, singing someone else's song. Sing along.